Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, we are now shifting focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today we are focusing on copper.
Well, it has been a sharp decline in metals as well as a sector. If you look at steel, it's trading at a 1-month lows. Iron ore prices at 2-month lows. And we have seen sharp declines come in for copper as well. Last week, it was 3.5% of gains for the metal. But we've seen an overnight decline of 1.5% come in for the metal. That is because the copper producers have sold some to lock in the profits with the kind of run-up that we've seen in the commodity. And then there are concerns of potential tariffs coming in for copper as well. Also, the sell-off in equities, weak economic data that we've seen come in from China and US also seems to be impacting prices. An interesting number to watch, though, is that when you look at this year, it has been a big gap that we've seen happen on LME and on COMEX. On London, prices have gained up by 9% in this year, but in the US exchanges, COMEX, copper prices have gained up by 18%. That is because a lot of copper is coming into the US markets ahead of these potential tariffs, really. The US does import 800,000 tons of copper per annum, which is 45% of its requirement, and the markets are looking at more copper coming into US until the time tariffs are put in. Also remember that while US is a net exporter of copper concentrate and scrap, but when it comes to refined copper and copper articles, it is a major importer as well, and that would continue to keep the prices at disparity and arbitrage as we've seen.
Thank you very much for that. It's a bit choppy for our markets. The mid-cap index, which was up 0.5%, is now flattening out nearly. The Nifty and the Sensex are back in the red. The fall from the top is not much, but you can see the moderation of the gains of that recovery. Get into a break. On the other side, Mitesh Thakkar joins in with his top trading bets.